Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Angel if you guys are new, mom of 2 little ones, and I also have a dog too. I recently shared what was in our truck organization in my part 1 video if you guys missed that. And I said in that video I will come back and share with you guys what's in my trunk and how I got the trunk organized. Well, I never got around to it. It's been a couple months, I know, but I'm back and I did want to show you guys how the trunk is organized. Hopefully you found this video helpful and found some helpful tips and things that I incorporate in our vehicle. Again, I'm a mom and a dog mom, so I have a little bit of everything. If you guys did not catch the first video, I will definitely link it. Please be sure to check that out, because if you don't see something in the trunk, it's probably up front. Don't forget to go ahead and tap that thumbs up, you guys. It really helps the video. It really helps the channel too. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not. I'd love for you guys to join in. Turn your notification bell on too, so you can get notified as soon as I upload, which also helps too. And let's go ahead and jump in the trunk and get started. Let me know if you guys have questions or if you keep any extra stuff on top of that. Feel free to help out moms out here that are just trying to be lifesavers to our family. But this is how it is. I have these organizers on this seat here, but you guys look at this. I did this on purpose. I'm gonna share with you the organizers, but the reason why I wanted these two specifically is because I wanted to be able to put my seat down. So you see how our seat can still move even with that on there. That's why I chose those two in particular. And this is just one piece of a zipper, a 3-piece set that I used. And then this is another entire organizer for the front seat, but I'm using it for the back seat instead. But I love it because it had so many spaces to organize with. And I still needed to be able to use the rest of my trunk space again, because we always grocery shopping. We got kids. Sometimes we have strollers, stuff like that. So these two are perfect. And then I also have stuff under here and here that I'm going to share with you too. So first up, I'm just going to, I think it's easiest if I just pull out the stuff that's in here. I showed you the 2 organizers and they're like literally stuffed, y'all. I'm going to pull everything out and share with you what's in these, and then I'll open this up. Okay. All right, so in this one, I have paper towel, for the spills. And I also have dog packs down in here because I had an older dog and she will always have mishaps. So we always had some while traveling. And then they're also useful too for changing kids on. And, I got Ziri and stuff like that. So we just keep them in here still. So that's really all that's in there, in that little pack there. So in this bag, I have this travel blanket I keep with us. This has been so helpful in a ton of instances. You never know when you're out and you need a blanket. I mean, one time we're at the hospital and we needed a blanket. We've been out traveling and needed extra blankets. This has just been our lifesaver. So I always highly recommend keeping you guys a soft, thick blanket for you, your family, and your vehicles. Also keep this in here, and this is a engine charger and a tire pump. So it's a super powerful battery, so in case our battery dies, we can always jump ourselves off with this bad boy. And then you also have your attachment pieces. You have your battery charger there. Then you also have your tire extension for pumping air and tires. This is so helpful. We've kept one in our vehicles for years. I highly recommend it, so you don't have to rely on somebody to jump you off. Pulling this out, this is a to-go potty for my kids. I keep it ready to go, so it's a liner already in here. You can open this up and they can potty right in here. Yes, they have pottied countless times while we've been in the truck. Literally, we just pull this out and they potty in it. Sometimes we're in random places. Sometimes we might be in a fast food line and like it's closed or something. We've been traveling, just different places, and they needed to go. And having this has just been so handy. And like I said, I keep it ready to go because y'all know when kids gotta go, they gotta go. So if you need a tip, just keep one always in here. So you can just pull it out and they can get on there and go. So I keep that in this, plus a couple extras. And this also, let me also say this too. So this little toilet seat can actually flatten out, and you can put this on toilet seats as well. So like at restaurants and stuff, you can like lay this flat on the toilet and they can use this too to like boo-boo on in case they have to go. I always keep extra as well. Moving on to this little zipper part here. So I have some toilet seat liners in here. I have some grocery bags. Also have some reusable bags too for like grocery shopping and stuff. That's why I like this, because I can keep a lot in here. This next compartment here, I have a collapsible water bowl for my dog and some doggy bags in case we've needed this. This is literally just a set I purchased off, I think, Amazon, and I haven't had to use it because we usually have our dog bags, but this is in case we forget, or if we're traveling and we forget, we always have a backup. Extra doggy bags as well. Moving on to the front of this, this is some toilet tissue to go. You guys ever been traveling and bathrooms didn't have toilet tissue? This is great to have, even if you're like out camping and stuff too. In here, I have a flashlight. I always need a flashlight. This is a hand crank flashlight. You can always like hand crank it. Also, you can use the sun to charge it too. So this is one that will always work. So I don't have to worry about batteries. So I highly recommend having one of these. And you got your flashlight. And it clips too. And then I also keep a tape measure in the truck. I cannot tell y'all countless of times we've needed to measure stuff. Whether we were out of the store, needed to measure stuff, or we were out, having a tape measure is so handy. I also keep some cleaner and a microfiber cloth in here too, because when we're traveling, our kids and our dogs definitely do have mishaps. So we have to do some type of cleaning. So just having you a multi-purpose solution that you can clean with in a microfiber cloth is always handy. Then also keep a screwdriver in here. And on this side, I keep this travel towel. So in case we need it, we have a travel towel, which is ultra lightweight. And I have some already that we use for the pool, so they work great. They're super absorbent, so I just keep one in the truck in case we need a towel as well. And all of that is kept in this. So you can see this can hold a lot. It has a lot of sections. So you can put cup holders. You can always use this as a front seat coat organizer. You have a laptop holder if you want to put your laptop there and work from. But I love, love, love this because of all the compartments. That's all kept there. So I'm going to go ahead and put all this back in. And then I'm going to open up this bottom portion and show you what's in there. All right, so I'm going to open this up and show you guys what's in the bottom here. Okay, so in here, as you can see, it's not a deep space. Sorry about the sun, you guys. It's very shallow. I have to be very smart when packing this. So I guess I'll start over here. These are sun visors that we put on our windows for the kids. We have one on Zeri's window, but in case we need another one on the other side, we have these. It's two of them. They're clean. Also, right here, I keep emergency water, a couple packets of this, and I keep it in this like clear zip bag in case it spills. It hasn't spilled, you guys. I've had this so far in the truck about 2 years. It expires in another, is that 2 years? Yeah, so it lasts a long time. And this is if we ever are ever out, maybe stuck on a road, stuck on the interstate, or traveling. We're in Atlanta, so you know, traffic, and we need water. We always have some in the truck, and that's water safe too, to be in here. Keep a first aid kit. Always, always, always need one of these in your vehicles. If you don't have one, you can always grab them. I needed a smaller one in here because I don't have a lot of space, but this does have our necessities in here. And I usually always keep a first aid kit in my diaper bag as well, in my purse. But yeah, this is one in the truck in case we need that. Now this is a pack of extra clothing and things. I'll open this up. So I'm going to take this out and this one. And I'll open these up and show you what's in there. So these are compression cubes because as you saw, I don't have a lot of space. So I needed something that was really thin and flat. So these are compression cubes. That's why I got them. Okay, so in these are extra clothes and things. So we got night times, pull-ups. My son's not in pull-ups, but we've been out and other parents have needed some. And they were like, Angel, do you happen to have extra? And I always am that mom that has everything. So I always keep it extra. He is in night times though still. So he's 4, but he'll be coming out of those soon. But I always keep one in case we're traveling or we stay somewhere. Extra outfit, bow for Zuri, jackets. This is my shirt, my shorts. So I keep extra for me, the kids, and the hub. So in this one we have diapers. I got shorts, underwear, shirts, A's, shirt for the hubs, pants because it's turning to turn winter here in Georgia, a long sleeve shirt too, and a jacket for myself. So just extra clothes for the entire family. I always keep in the truck too, because that has been lifesavers as well. Even sometimes the hub says needed to change a shirt. It's helpful to have. If you guys don't, just throw you some extra things in the truck. Yeah, I keep those in these compression cubes, again, to save space. Okay, so another thing I keep in here are these right here. And these are portable disposal urinals. So in case someone has to go, you know, again, I'm in Atlanta. Sometimes you might get stuck in traffic, a couple hours. These are for both men and women. But we have them. We haven't had to use them, thankfully, but I have them just in case. These are extra potty bags for the to-go potty. I keep those in this little mesh bag right here. Then I also keep this. This is a changing pad in case we have to change Zuri. We have that. I've had this in the truck since she was a baby. This is our instruction manual. Again, y'all, why have this in your prime real estate in the front of your vehicle? Well, we hardly ever use it. So use that front space for your prime stuff, the stuff you need all the time. You need hands on it. And then just throw your instruction manual in the bag. So when you need it, you have it and it's there. But it's not taking up a valuable space up front. And this is an extra tissue. We use this for both our nose and for napkins because they're just really soft. So it works for both. So I literally stay stocked of these, y'all. I've talked about these a lot. I found them on Amazon. I keep some up front for noses. I keep them in a restaurant bag everywhere because you can use this to wipe your hands off and for your nose because they're so soft. So I keep an extra pack of those back here too. And yeah, you guys, that's what's all in my trunk. There you go, you guys. That is what is in our trunk. If you missed what was in the front part of our vehicle, because trust me when I tell you, this is not all I keep in the truck. I have a whole lot in the front too, organized as well. So I highly recommend go checking out that video too if you missed that first part, and I will link it too. So hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And make sure you guys check out this video too.